So this Darwin's theory of natural selection, what he did, he chose many species of plants and animals, different groups of plants and animals. He studied them, he grew them, and then what he found out that whatever will be the next uh, population or next generation of plants and animals, they survive or they grow because nature selects them. It is also known as theory of natural selection. Means Darwin tried to say that the plants and animals which are living at the present time, they are living because nature has selected them, and all his study he has published in a book which is named as Origin of Species. In this book, what are the main points of this theory? The main points are the Charles Darwin said that all living organisms have the property of reproduction. They all reproduce, and after for the growth they all compete with each other. Means there is competition between animals for food, for place, for survival, and same is for plants. And because of this competition, what he said that all plants and all animals do not survive. Only those which have some positive modifications in them, that means they are naturally selected. Nature selects them. Nature gives them some modifications, and so they live. Okay, and other, what happens to other organisms? They perish, means they don't live. So basically Charles Darwin said that the nature selects who will survive and who will not. This is what he wanted to. Charles Darwin theory, when he published his book Origin of Species, after that many other scientists have done more study on this topic, and there were many objections raised against the theory of natural selection, because Charles Darwin did not give a scientific proof. He just hypothetically said that nature selects the plants and animals and they survive. So these are the objections that were raised, and these are the important points which Darwin's theory of natural selection did not explain. So what are the objections? The first one is natural selection is not responsible for evolution. We have seen evolution, it is a very important thing for living organism, and Charles Darwin could not explain how this natural selection and evolution was related. There's no relation actually. And next objection is no explanation was given for useful and useless modifications. I hope you, if you all have studied the videos which I have sent you till now, we have seen something called as mutations. Mutations have plus points also and negative points also. So the plus point is they give you useful modifications, and negative point is there are some useless modifications which can lead to diseases, some serious illness. So Charles Darwin did not explain, when he said that nature selects, he did not specify anything about this modifications or use of modifications. Last objection is there was no explanation about change that takes place in living organisms, whether it is slow change or abrupt change. So these were the objections. Please go through your textbook after listening to the video.